Even today, huge number of people are searching for one simple question. Why is my Windows 11 PC so slow and how can I make it faster? If you are one of them, you are in the correct place. Maybe your computer takes forever to boot up, apps freezes for no reason, your browser struggles with just a few tabs open, or perhaps your laptop used to be fast when you first bought it, but now everything feels sluggish. If any of that sounds familiar, don't worry, you are definitely not alone. The good news is that in most cases, the problem is not your hardware. Many Windows 11 computers slow down because of unnecessary background processes, incorrect settings, startup programs, temporary files, or features that most people don't even know are running. The best part? Most of these issues can be fixed in just a few minutes without spending any money or reinstalling Windows. In this video, I'm going to walk you through in most effective methods to speed up your Windows 11 computer. These are practical techniques that anyone can follow, even if you are not a tech expert. I will explain every step clearly, so you won't have to guess what to do or worry about making mistakes. And here's my promise. If you carefully follow every step I show in this video, there's a very good chance you will notice a significant improvement in your computer's performance. Your PC can boot faster, applications can open more quickly, and your overall Windows experience can feel much smoother. We are not going to waste time with fake speed hacks or clickbait tricks that don't actually work. Everything I will show you is based on real Windows settings and maintenance method that can genuinely improve performance when applied correctly. So stay with me until the end because every tip builds on the previous one. Even if you already know a few of these tricks, you will likely discover something new that can make a real difference. Now let's get started and bring your Windows 11 PC back to its best performance. Before we jump into the fixes, I want to mention something that surprised even me. I tested this on some really old computers running Windows 11. Honestly, I wasn't expecting much, but the results were impressive. After applying these optimizations, those PCs felt much smoother and far more responsive. It just goes to show that Windows 11 can surprisingly well, even on older hardware, when it's configured the right way. So if you have been thinking your computer is simply too old or that you need to buy a new one, don't make that decision just yet. Give these methods a try first. You might be surprised by how much performance you can get back. So let's get started and see exactly what you need to do. First, open the Microsoft Store. Once it's open, search for Wintoys and install it. It's completely free and one of the most useful utilities for managing and optimizing Windows 11. Don't worry if you have never used it before. The interface is simple and I will guide you through everything step by step. We will only change settings that are safe and can help improve your computer's performance. Open it. And once you are ready, we will move on to the first optimization. Now, simply follow along and turn off the same settings that I am disabling on my screen. If you are curious about what a particular option does, just hover your mouse over its on or off switch. Windows provide a brief explanation for most of these settings, so you can read about them anytime. I am not going to explain every single option in detail because that would make this video much longer than it needs to be. The settings I am turning off are safe to disable and are commonly adjusted to reduce unnecessary background activity and improve system performance. So don't worry, just follow along with me and we will get through this step by step. Once you have finished disabling those settings, you will be prompted to restart your computer. Go ahead and restart it so all the changes can take effect. After your PC boots back up, you should notice that Windows feel much faster and more responsive than before. In many cases, you will see quicker startup times, smoother navigation, and better overall performance. And before you leave, let me know in the comments, were you already familiar with these Windows optimization tricks or did you discover something new today? I would love to hear your experience. So I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions or any advanced guide, then please let us know. Please like, comment, share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.